Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Recording in progress.
आजकल सब बच्चा पहाड़ पानी के लिए सपोर्ट चोर रहता है पहाड़ पानी में जल्दी कोई चोर नहीं बनता है और ये नहीं है कि एक पहाड़ पे 3 गुना गया हाँ पहाड़ पानी में इसलिए तो और चोर बना कौन चाचू नहीं मिला
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. First class conversation. So children, today we are going to deal with the topic, the tropical rainforest. Here you can see that in the tropical rainforest, what is the characteristic of it and where it is situated. So this tropical rainforest is situated in generally
Ma'am, near the equator.
Ma'am, near the equator.
Yes, equator.
Yes, it is generally found near the equator, and the tropical rainforests are the species of or home. It is the tropical rainforest is the home for many species of plants and animals, and then all other biomass, means all other living and non-living components combined together. Such forests which are found in India, it is in Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Uganda, and Nigeria. These are the places in the world where these tropical rainforests are found. Then the Amazon jungle, it is the largest tropical rainforest. Amazon jungle में सबसे largest rainforest है, and this forest covers the basin of Amazon, the world's second longest river. Central Africa holds the world's second largest rainforest. So these all are fact based, children. आपके बुक में जो fact दिया हुआ है, we are only discussing those points. Then this, why is this tropical rainforest known for? ये किस लिए ज्यादा मतलब इसका ये है, known है? Because here large amount of rain falls over here, because it is, the name is over there that it is a rainforest, and high rainfall is its characteristic. Then this often results in poor soil due to leaching of soluble nutrients. Soil poor क्यों होगा यहाँ? अगर ज्यादा रेनफॉल है तो soil को अच्छा होना चाहिए ना?
Ma'am, due to leaching of soluble nutrition.
What do you understand by leaching? Leaching का मतलब क्या हुआ? Leaching means seeping down inside the soil. जो ऊपर का ह्यूमस है और जो organic matter है, due to heavy rainfall, it goes below and it seeps in the soil, so the upper layer becomes infertile and it is not nutritive for the growth. Rainforests are home to 2/3 of the living animals. As we know that many animals survive in the forest, and it is the habitat of many animals. So many animal plant species, they all live on this area, this rainforest. Then it has been estimated that millions of new species of plant and insects and microorganisms are still undiscovered and yet to be discovered in this rainforest. It is so vast. ये इतना vast है कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही अभी ऐसा species है जिसको अभी तक हम लोग find out नहीं कर पाए, और अभी भी अगर वहाँ पर research होगा तो इतना millions and millions of species are lying without being discovered. And it is so densely populated in course of species. Then temperature over here, average in such region is average of 20 to 25 degree and varies throughout the year. This temperature is not constant. It is variable and it varies throughout the year. Then average temperature of 3 warmest and 3 coldest months do not differ from by more than 5 degrees. Means coldest or warmest month में only 5 degree का ही difference होता है. It is not a vast difference between the warm and the cool. Okay. Then precipitation is evenly distributed throughout the year with the average annual rainfall usually exceeding 2000 millimeters. मतलब वहां का जो रेनफॉल, जो प्रेसिपिटेशन है, precipitation word you are knowing because we have discussed in the weather element. तो जो रेनफॉल का पार्टिकल्स है या रेनफॉल है, that is evenly distributed, means it can all throughout the year same type of rainfall is over, and it usually exceeding 2000 millimeter, means इतना ज्यादा रेनफॉल होता है कि वो और इवनली होता है थ्रू आउट द ईयर, तो it exceeds up to 2000 millimeter also. In India, these forests are found in इंडिया में कहाँ पाया जाता है ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट? वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड आसाम. Then these forests are home of animals, and कौन सा एनिमल यहाँ सरवाइव करता है? मंकी, एप, गोरिल्ला, lions, tigers, lizard, elephant, leopard, snakes, birds and insects. These animals survive over here. Animals living in this forest have got adapted in living in areas ranging from trees to lakes and even underground तक मतलब animals वहाँ पाया जाता है. मतलब in all sections of the part of the earth the animals are found. सब जगह animals वहाँ पाया जाता है because it is very dense. वो बहुत dense है, इसलिए हर तरह के animal. Children, whenever you keep a pet, आप देखते होंगे जब वो अपने जैसा animals को देखता है तो he wants to make friendly with him. So as we are social, animals also try to live in their own community. They don't want to live alone. But for our benefit, we just keep as pets. But in this rainforest, that rainforest is such a densely populated because they are getting appropriate environment to survive. अब animals को किस तरह का environment चाहिए survival के लिए बताइए? Tell me. किस तरह का एनवायरनमेंट एनिमल्स को चाहिए? चिल्ड्रन, ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए. आर यू आर लिसनिंग मी और नॉट? सुन रहे हो ना?
I'm densely populated.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm dense.
Pardon? आप लोग मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हैं ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
You are audible.
Or that you are not listening. Listen. So the environment in which they can live properly is that type of environment in which they have got comfortable place to hide. अपने आप को छुपाने का एक comfortable place है. Like we require home. हम लोग को एक house चाहिए अपनी necessity पूरा करने के लिए. Heat, temperature, rain, ये सब से हम लोग को बचने के लिए, enemies से बचने के लिए हम लोग को एक घर चाहिए. In that way, in the same way, the animals require the shade of the tree or the caves or the particular place where they can properly react, properly breathe, properly have their sufficient amount of food in that area. So as they are living in the this rainforest, there will be a, you can say, chain of food. That is collection, that is they can carry their food chain and food web, isn't it? Lower animals can be the prey of higher animals, or higher animals can kill and hurt them, and in that way they can get the sufficient amount of food over there. So these are the factors which affects them. What factor? First of all, proper place to hide, proper food, and proper breeding ground. These all are the essential part of for the survival of animals. And that is why this rainforest, as it is thickly, you can say, populated or dense in the number of trees, then automatically they will get a proper habitat to survive. Then after that, Next topic is adaptation by animals
Excuse me,
of
ma'am.
tropical range. Dear children, we cannot study a large number of it. उतना जितना species वहाँ survive करता है, सबके बारे में पढ़ना संभव है?
No,
ma'am.
No,
About
ma'am.
millions and millions of animals surviving in that rainforest. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम
Ma'am.
लोग भी पढ़ सकते हो सबके बारे में? You are telling
No,
yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
cannot,
No, ma'am.
we cannot collect
No, ma'am.
information about all of them. So अभी हम लोग के पास अगर हम लोग information collect करना चाहेंगे तो we will have to go very deeply towards it. But here a few examples are mentioned in here. What are the few examples? Unit 1 is mentioned over here. That it is about the red-eyed frog, a peculiar type of characteristic that it has got long limbs, better suited for climbing or swimming. Then it has got sucker pads on their feet. These pads allow them to stick to various objects. Means they can climb properly. Their pad will stick on the surface on which it wants to hold, and they can provide better grip, better traction. Traction means they can jump here and there on the leaves, on the branches, and they can hold it by this sucker. Okay, this is the special characteristic of red-eyed frog. Then after that comes the long prehensile tail. This is the category or species of monkey. A monkey, what does it require? Trees. It can survive on trees. So their
Yes.
long tail will help them to hold the branches properly. आप कभी monkeys को watch करते होगे, they can go to a very taller branches. बहुत एकदम ऊपर तक के
Yes,
branches
ma'am.
पर वो लोग जा सकते हैं. And they can hold it with their hand, with their leg, and with their tail also. The tail gives them support to hold. So this is a special characteristic, a special feature provided to the monkeys, that it has got good example of prehensile tail. And it is long to hold it, and they can swim from one branch to another with their fingers and toes as like hook, and help them to hold on to the branches. Then the lion-tailed macaw is a medium-sized monkey with shiny black fur and long grayish-white hair around its face. Then it gets its name from its long tail, which has a tassel at the end, quite like that of lion. These monkeys use 7 different vocal patterns to communicate. These monkeys have cheek pouches that open beside the lower tip and extend down the side of the leg. So this again, this lion-tailed macaw, it is similar to a lion. Its feature is like a lion, but it is a variety of a monkey. Some noise is coming. किसके background से आ रहा है? Simon. Simon, kindly mute your mic. So this another variety of monkey is there, which is known as lion tail. And this lion-tailed macaw has got a special feature that it is tassel at their end of the tail, and it can speak 17 different vocal patterns to communicate. This is also a special characteristic of this type of monkey. And then this has got cheek pouch, means on its cheek, from inside it has got a pouch. So that pouch means a pocket to store the food. फूड को स्टोर करने के लिए अंदर से एक पैकेट बना रहता है, जो फूड को जब वो कलेक्ट करता है तो उसमें स्टोर कर लेता है. And when it gets relaxation time, free time, then it can again chew it and enjoy it. then this can be fully extended. ये elaborate हो सकता है. These pouches when they store amount of food and equivalent to the stomach cavity. Means stomach के बराबर वो उस pouch में hold कर सकता है food. Or this is a special feature. When they are gathering the food, they gather it very quickly with their hands and store it in their pouch. And when they are free, then they can just eat them and enjoy leisurely. Leisurely means in the free time. Then after that comes the large beak of Toco toucan. It is a bird and it has a special feature. What is the special feature of this bird? That it has got a long beak, a very
Ma'am, 20
unique
centimeter
beak,
long
very
beak.
beautiful.
20 centimeter
It is
long
20
beak.
centimeter long and it is deep orange in color. ये बहुत ही bright है इसका beak and it can scoop up water as it is broad. ऐसे birds क्या कर सकते हैं? Water को पी नहीं सकते. They can just squeeze it. लेकिन ये scoop कर सकता है. Means उसको अपने चौड़े beak से water को उठा सकता है, mouth में डाल सकता है. Then it has this beak is decorated by a large black spot. एक black spot से वो decorated है at the tip. Then these are the special features of this Toco toucan. Then after that comes the category of big cats, lion, tiger, leopards, which are the predators that rule the tropical rainforest. What are predators? Predators क्या है? Predators are those animals which hunt their prey. Prey को catch करता है. They are known as predators. So, and they have flexible body designed by running, jumping, and climbing. Their intestines are short, and they digest meat. They are and they only digest meat and not vegetable matter. So just imagine they can digest the meat, but not the vegetable matter. Means they are non-vegetarian. And their sharp teeth are scissor-like, teared into flesh. Most big cats hunt at night. They are nocturnal. They are active at night because in the darkness nobody can see them and they can hunt their prey. And they can see 6 times better than human. Means their eyes are very sharp and they have a largest field of vision. ज़्यादा दूर तक भी देख सकते हैं. Just because they have the capability to catch the prey, but cannot see colors as human beings can. Is it clear, children, till here? यहाँ तक आप लोग को समझ में आ
Yes,
रहा है?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, predators equal
Yes
फिर
or
से
no?
repeat कर दीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Predators are those animals which are hunters, जो hunt करके अपना food collect करता है. They are hunters. They live on other organisms by hunting them. They are predators. They catch their prey. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Few examples of नाम से ही समझ
Yes,
लो.
ma'am.
The big cat like lion, they are in the cat family. Like lion, tiger, leopards are
Ma'am,
predators.
leopard.
Pardon? What do you want?
Ma'am, she's asking leopard.
Read the question, children, if you have problem.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no problem.
Ma'am,
No,
no
ma'am.
problem.
No problem, ma'am.
Pardon? Who is this? क्या दिक्कत है बोलो? जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम है बोल सकते हो.
No
Ma'am, no problem.
Okay, then let's continue. Then comes the elephant. Elephant has adapted to themselves to this tropical rainforest in its own way because of the special features. The nose and the upper lip are fused to form a long trunk and that has got 150,000 muscles. The structure which is the special feature which the elephant has got, that makes it versatile. What versatility? Versatile means used for a broader sense. ज़्यादा elaborate sense में उसका जो trunk है वो use किया जाता है. क्या किस चीज के लिए use किया जाता है? For holding, for catching, for breaking, these all things. Then squeezing water, अपने body पर water डालने के लिए, ये सारे काम वो लोग एक elephant किस चीज से करता है? With the help of its
Ma'am, trunk.
and it is very strong. The trunk is very strong. You can see that it is made up of 150,000 muscles. So you can just imagine how tough and strong it is. The versatile trunk acts like a hand for grasping low-growing shrubs and other food material and placing them into the mouth. As I told you, that they use it for eating like a hand. Then this trunk also act like an arm. उसका arm की तरह काम करता है for breaking bigger branches, tree branches, and their snorkel, tube-like projection above water. When they are inside the water, what do? They put their trunk above water. पानी से ऊपर वो लोग trunk को रखते हैं. Because if water will go in that trunk, then it will not be able to breathe. तो इसलिए वो पानी को, हालांकि उससे वो suck करता है, squeeze करता है, but when they are swimming, that trunk is not inside the water, dipped inside. It will be like a tube projecting above water, and that word is snorkel. Snorkel means a tube projecting above water. Clear? Then, and it is used for breathing also. Then the elephant body is submerged. Elephant use these trunks to suck and drink water or to squeeze it over their body for bathing. Nostril as the trunk tip enable elephant to detect odor. This trunk also gives them odor. Means all the work of the nose is performed by the trunk in the elephant. Though elephant has got a poor eyesight. Elephant ka eyesight poor. Elephant can smell water at a distances and can hear sound from more than 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer से ज़्यादा का ये elephant पता चल जाता है कि यहाँ पर पानी है. Because they enjoy water. Water को वो enjoy भी करते हैं. They take bath, they play in water, and they also squeeze it on the water, on the body. And these all activities are performed by the trunk or the snout. Clear? Now, children, do you have any queries, questions in this topic? What we have done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Do you want me
No,
to
ma'am.
discuss any topic? कोई टॉपिक आप डिस्कस करवाना चाहते हैं फिर से दोबारा?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of versatile and grasping?
Versatile means it is used in a broader sense. बहुत सारा काम इकट्ठे करने को वर्सेटैलिटी बोलते हैं. बहुत सारा काम एक साथ हो रहा है तो उसको वर्सेटाइल ऑर्गन बोला जाता है. तो एलिफेंट में वर्सेटाइल ऑर्गन कौन सा है? ट्रंक.
Trunk.
Ma'am, trunk.
Ma'am,
Trunk, and it is performing all the activity by this trunk itself. Trunk से ही ये अपना सारा काम करता है. इसलिए उस organism में the trunk is a versatile organ for them. Clear?
मैम जो बिग कैट होती हैं वो कलर्स को मैम दिन में भी नहीं देख पाती कि सिर्फ रात में नहीं देख सकती हैं.
I can't get your question, Shali. Repeat it.
मैम इसमें लिखा है बिग कैट कैन नॉट सी कलर एज ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन. सो मैम वो एक भी कुछ कलर्स नहीं देख पाती हैं.
नहीं, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स किसके बारे में बोल रहे हो? ये लायन और लेपर्ड के बारे में दिया हुआ है।
मैं इसमें बिग
लायन और
कैट
लेपर्ड जो है
तो मैम वो अपने
Definition
प्रे को
ज्यादा
कैसे
है।
देख लेते हैं?
पार्डन,
मैम वो अपने प्रे को कैसे देख लेते हैं?
तो कलर देखने के लिए जरूरी थोड़े है, उसमें कलर थोड़ी रहता है। वो प्रे को देख पाता है क्योंकि उसका आउटर स्ट्रक्चर देख लेता है। कोई जरूरी थोड़ी है कि वो कलरफुल। कलर डिफरेंशिएशन का मतलब कि ये रेड कलर है, ये ग्रीन कलर है, ये ब्लू कलर है, दैट दे कांट डू बिकॉज ऑफ द एब्सेंस ऑफ सर्टेन सेल्स इन देयर आईज। जो आप लोग 8 में पढ़ोगे रॉड सेल्स एंड कोन सेल्स, तो कोन सेल्स उसमें नहीं होता है। दैट इज व्हाई इट कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट कलर। कलर डिफरेंशिएशन का मतलब होता है कि वो कलर को नहीं कैप्चर कर पाएगा उसका, बट वो देख तो पाएगा ही। क्लियर? जैसे
ma'am.
हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट कर पाते हैं ना, वो लोग नहीं कर पाते। बट उसका विजन ह्यूमन बीइंग से ज्यादा है। विजन मीन्स वो देख पाता है दूर तक, लेकिन डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर पाता कि किस कलर। इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am. Now clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here there is one activity. Take an outline map of world. Mark the polar regions in red. Similarly, mark the tropical region in blue. ये आप लोग एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो for your practice. Then read the given list of animals and climatic condition and place them in relevant columns. Polar region, tropical rainforest. What are the climatic conditions of polar region and what are the climatic conditions of your tropical rainforest? So you can just do this activity. Leopard, tropical rainforest, lion-tailed macaw,
Ma'am, tropical
Will be-
rainforest.
Ma'am,
tropical rainforest,
Tropical
Polar
rainforest.
Polar
Ma'am, polar
region.
region.
Ma'am,
Polar region.
Polar region.
penguin,
Polar
Polar
region.
region.
Polar region. Polar region.
Tropical.
Polar
Tropical.
walrus is in polar region. Ape,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tropical region.
tropical red forest.
tropical rainforest.
Tropical red forest.
Red-eyed frog,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tropical red forest.
tropical rainforest.
Tropical red forest. Tropical
Okay.
red forest.
okay. Now climatic condition. Winter temperature is -30 degrees.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
polar
polar
region
region.
-30 degree. And climatic conditions
Sun
Minus
for
30
6
degrees
months.
Celsius in polar region
tropical
and
rainforest
20 to 25
Ma'am,
degree is in
sunshine.
tropical rainforest.
and 20 to
Sunshine
25.
for 6 months is in polar region. Average temperature is about 20 to 25 degrees.
Ma'am,
Tropical
tropical
rainforest.
rainforest.
Ma'am,
This
tropical
is of tropical rainforest. ठीक है, okay. Underline the hard word. इस चैप्टर का हम लोग हार्ड वर्ड नहीं किए हैं, so you can underline it, mark it. Atmosphere, first page from